Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do painting projects sometimes get you a little stressed out? These Stak Racks make your life so much easier. These Stak Racks are seriously a game changer. I have been working on renovating a home and we have so many painting projects to do, and these things make it so much easier. So these Stak Racks are made from a super durable plastic and they stack perfectly on top of each other. So this means that you don't have to have a ton of sawhorses set up. You don't have to spread your work all over the place. You can neatly and efficiently stack your work in one place and save so much space. Not only do they stack, which allows you to paint your trim and your cabinets with ease, they also have this flipping function, which is perfect for larger items like doors. So you can easily stack and unstack them, flip them over, and then you are not going to mess up your freshly coated paint on the doors or trim that you are working on. So they just make so much easier and so much less hassle. I was able to paint these long pieces of trim and I had a lot of them to do, and so I was able to paint them and dry them on these Stak Racks in multiple layers, and so it was really space saving and I wasn't laying trim pieces all over the garage, all over the driveway, and all over the house. I was able to just neatly stack them up on our workbench. So don't stress about your next painting project and where to put all your trim pieces or cabinet doors. These Stak Racks seriously are a game changer. I absolutely love them. I would highly recommend them. And really, I wish I had them a lot sooner. And that's my point of view.